Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If your Cowin application is not updating and showing an error like this, then I will show you the alternative fix to this. So let's begin. Open Chrome browser. In the search bar, type cowin.gov.in and hit enter. Click on 3 lines here. Click Platforms, Vaccinator. In the upper right corner, click on 3 dots. Scroll down. Click Add to Home Screen. Now on the home screen, you will be able to see Cowin Vaccinator and you can access it without any problem. Thanks for watching.